Hi, and welcome to Blue's Garden Tips. Dehydrating green onion. Out we go to the garden, and first thing you do, grab some of your green onion, gently shake the onion loose so that the dirt comes from the roots. It looks speeded, it's sped up, but it really is gentle shaking. Get all the loose dirt you can now, it's easier now. Rather than inside. Once you get it inside, give it a little rinse, and then you want to let it dry out a little bit and trim off the roots. Get all of that bound up root and clean up the onion, peel off any of the dead and dried leaves. Then you want to make sure that you try and get as even as you can, dice into all fine pieces. Chop all your green onion up. The white bits are fine. In fact, the little variant color is good for your cooking. And nice finely chopped. Once you've got it all chopped, then you're going to, why don't you take the bits that are left over, any of your scraps, save that later for your compost pile. Then spread all of the bits out evenly. It's okay if they touch a little, but you want to try and get it as evenly spread as possible so that they can all dry evenly. For me, I've done it a couple of times, so my settings are, I like to put the trays in for about 2.5 hours. At 130 degrees, which is about 55 degrees Celsius. 2.5 hours. I know it says 2, but I really did it for 2.5. I take the scraps out to the compost pile. Wait a little bit longer, about 2.5 hours later. It's really not that hot. I actually could grab it with my hand, but I always use, just in case. Pour all the bits, the dried bits, into your spice rack to save for later. It's great for some soups, for stews, cooking in the middle of the winter. Thanks, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more Blue's Garden Tips.